creation of smart examples with Tableau Prep. So before going into that, I'll tell you about the key aspects of Tableau Prep. So first is data connection and integration. Tableau Prep connects to a wide range of data sources, including databases, spreadsheets, and cloud-based platforms. It allows users to easily bring in data from different sources and integrate them for analysis. Then there is the feature of data cleaning and profiling, where Tableau Prep provides a visual interface for cleaning and preparing data. Users can easily identify and address issues such as missing values, duplicates, outliers, and discrepancies in data quality. Then there is data transformation, where users can perform various transformation on the data, such as aggregation, pivoting or unpivoting the data, splitting columns, creating calculated fields, and more. This allows for data shaping to fit specific analytical requirements. Then there is data joining and blending, where Tableau Prep enables users to combine data from multiple sources through joins or blends. It provides a user-friendly interface for defining the relationship between different datasets. Okay, then there is the visual representation of data flows, in which Tableau Prep uses a visual interface very similar to Tableau Desktop or Tableau Public. So to represent data flow. This makes it easy for us to see the steps in data preparation process and understand how data is being transformed. Then there is a profile pane in Tableau Prep, where it provides a summary statistics and visualization about the data, helping us quickly understand the distribution, patterns, and quality of the data set. And then there is data sampling, where users can sample the data to get a preview of how the change is made by us during data preparation will impact the final data set. And we can output our whatever data after data cleaning process, whatever data set we have prepared, we can output it in multiple formats such as a Tableau extract file, Excel file, a CSV file, and many more. Then there is data governance and documentation, where Tableau Prep allows us to add comments, tags, and description to the document to document the data preparation process. So this helps us maintain a data lineage and ensure transparency in the data preparation workflow. There is also automated data refresh, where Tableau Prep enables us to schedule data preparation flows for automatic refresh, ensuring that the cleaned and transformed data is always up to date. And then there is an integration with Tableau Desktop and Tableau Server, where Tableau Prep seamlessly integrates with Tableau Desktop and Tableau Server, allowing us to directly connect to the prepared data to Tableau for visualization. And finally, the interface of Tableau Prep is very user-friendly. It is kind of similar to Tableau Desktop, but whatever the data flow that will be happening there, it's very easy for us to comprehend that what we are doing and what is going in the backend. So overall, it is a very powerful tool for preparing and shaping data for analysis, making it easier for us to derive insights from the data in Tableau Desktop or other analytics platforms. So it streamlines the data preparation process, saving us time and ensuring data accuracy for analysis and visualization. So yeah, we'll see creation of smart examples with Tableau Prep. So four powerful Tableau Prep Builder features are uh, find your next step with smart recommendation, rename fields in the input step, clean anywhere, document your process with descriptions and on changes, save time by setting specific data roles. Then Tableau's Prep workspace consists of the connection pane, where you connect to your data source, and three coordinates areas that helps you interact with and explore your data. Then there is a flow pane, a visual representation of your operation steps as you prepare your data. This is where you add steps to build your flow. Then there is a profile pane, where a summary of each field in your data sample. See the shape of your data and quickly find outliers and null values. Then the data grid, which gives the row level detail of our data. So this is somewhat what an interface of Tableau Prep will look like. Okay, so before going into that, I'll show you from where and how to download Tableau Prep. So yeah, Tableau Prep also comes with the feature that is similar to Tableau Desktop. it comes with a 14 days free trial, and after that you either need to pay or you need to have a university or college ID card. Okay, so if you search in for Tableau Prep, you'll get this website, Tableau Prep, combine, shape and clean your data. Go into this. So yeah, another way in which you can navigate to this website is go to the Tableau's default website and go to product, and there will be Tableau Prep right here. You click on this and you arrive in the same page. Then you can click on this start a free trial, give your details right here, and then click on download free trial. And it will be downloaded, and then just install it in your system. The size is quite big. It's kind of near something as 1 GB. The exe file only is 1 GB. So yeah, the application might be slow or fast depending on system to system. Yeah, but once set and done, this is how a Tableau Prep Builder will look like once you open it. Yeah, so this is the basic interface of Tableau Prep. I personally would advise you that before going into Tableau Prep, like after this class, when you're getting a free time or something, go to this discover pane right here. Okay, there are few like videos and training tutorials. It's always advised to look into these videos before going into that. And then there are few resources also. These are mostly ignored. If you want, you can view them. There's just documented resources. But I would say that go through these videos. They are very quite necessary for like getting used to Tableau Prep. Okay, so yeah, few of the things to notice here is that first of all we have this similar file edit flow, this data tab right here. Then we have open a flow. So if you have a saved flow in your system, you click on this to open a flow. Or if you want to connect to a data, similarly as our in Tableau desktop, you can click on this to connect to your data. Then there is this arrow. So whatever connections you have made so far, it would come here. So suppose, okay, before going into that, there are two more things, like one more thing with two examples right here, sample flows. So similarly, as in our Tableau desktop, we had some sample charts and graphs, right? Some sample dashboards. Similarly, we have some sample flows here also created for us by Tableau developers from all around the world. So this is on some world data set, and this is on Superstore data set that we've been using so far, I guess. So let's see one of these sample flows. Since my system is a little bit old, so Tableau Prep might not behave that nicely with my system, but anyways. So this is how a sample flow of this Tableau Prep will look like. So once we are quite used to Tableau Prep, this is something that we will build all by ourselves. So if you would notice, these are the data sets, okay, data sheets. Then these are few of the functions, and they have given a description like this particular step would, this is called a clean step, okay. This particular bar is named as clean step. So this is basically used for cleaning. So a step that is used for cleaning is what a clean step is. So they have provided a description also that this particular step removes null value. This particular step fixes the data type. This particular state renames the states. This particular step fixes the dates. And once all these four steps are done, all four of them converges into this one particular data set. This is sign of a union. They have made a union of all these four data sets. And then here they have performed a join operation, a right join on orders and returns table. This returns right here. They have performed a cleaning step, and then both of these converged right here to perform a right join of orders plus returns, after which there is another cleaning step, which then goes here, and a new superstore data set is created right here. And if not followed that path, they have gone to this step where they have done the sum of roll up sales. Then they have taken this quota data set, they have pivoted the table, and then both of them merged together to perform an inner join. And then finally, one more data set has been created right here. So this, what we are seeing right now, is what a basic flow in Tableau looks like. So because of this flow in Tableau prep, I personally, because I'm kind of used to this, so I personally am able to understand quite well that, okay, what is happening right here. If you think about it, if you have performed similar steps, but there was no visual representation or no flow, it was just diagrams only there. These arrows were not there. How hard it would have been to comprehend for me. So, because of these arrows, because of this well directed flow that is automatically created by Tableau Prep once we are doing our steps, just because of these flows, we are able to understand what is happening along the steps. And if I want, I can remove something. If I want, I can add something in this step anywhere I want. And that is the power of this Tableau Prep right here for me.